there's my question that how this war can be end. Like Sunni says that our Islam is true, and
So,
Shia says that.
this can
How
end
can
if
how we?
everybody listens to reason. If everyone listens to reason and proof, and you've seen my programs in Urdu. I've annihilated the Umari
Yeah,
ulamas. You know that, right? You know that, right?
yeah, yeah.
Time
Yes.
after time after time after time after time, I've defeated them. And some very critical, important, and milestone issues like Islam of Abu Bakr and Umar, and Khilafat of Amir al-Mu'mineen alayhi salam, Hadith Qirtas, and many, many other issues. Okay, I've defeated them. So, as far as proofs are concerned, the Hujjah is complete. The Hujjah is clear to everyone that this is the right madhab to follow. Now, people are not going to do that because even if a lot of people are careless, they don't care. They simply do not care
Hmm.
what is right, what's wrong. They want to follow whatever their religion, father's religion was. They want to blindly follow that. So it will take time. A lot of people will eventually, inshallah. If Shias do not
Hmm.
falter, if Shias do not step back, if Shias present the madhab of Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam properly, with evidence and proof and with love and care and openly, if they keep doing that, a lot of people will come to the madhab of Ahlul Bayt alayhim salam eventually. But this will not end all disputes because there will be a lot of people who will not, even if you do shaqul qamar for them, they will not agree. So at the end, we Al Imam Al Mahdi alayhi salam. He is the solution.
Yeah.
So yeah, so
Uh,
the end of history, the end of all religions, the end of all mankind's problems, that is with whom? With Jesus alayhi salam and Al Imam Al Mahdi alayhi salam. They come,
mhm.
and then end of all disputes. All right. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.